everyone. Today I'm sharing with you a quick and easy chicken saag recipe, a comforting spinach curry with a fresh twist that's packed with flavour. I keep it simple. Instead of blanching and blending, I stir in the chopped baby spinach at the end. It keeps its bright green colour and that earthy traditional spicy spinach flavour. And friends, don't skip the finishing touch, a hot butter tadka with chopped garlic and chilli powder that's poured over at the end. This brings the whole dish to life. Now let's get started. And that's it. A quick, flavourful chicken saag curry without the extra steps. The spinach stays fresh, the chicken's tender, and that garlic chili tadka takes it over the top. If you enjoyed this easy chicken spinach curry recipe, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more simple, delicious Indian recipes every week. If you have a question or tried your own twist, drop it in the comments below. I'd love to hear how it turned out. Until next time, my friends, stay spicy, stay curious, and keep cooking with heart. Bye bye.